Hi, I'm Finn, and I want you to meet my friends, Bubbles, Coral, Rome, and Splash. And we all live under the sea, where we dance and play and sing all day. Come, sing with us.
Down in the sea where the sunlight glows, we swim and we play where the coral grows. I sing and I twirl with the bubbly sound, making music and fun all around. When things get tricky, I help us see there's always a way, just follow me. I keep my cool, swim fast and true, helping my friends like dolphins do. I crack a joke and I spin around. I'm the turtle who keeps our feet off the ground.
We're the water sprockets, come sing along, learning and laughing where we all belong.
Teamwork, fun, and kindness too. There's always an adventure waiting for you.
I'm Finn.
Hi, I'm Bubbles.
Hey, I'm Coral.
Hi, I'm Rome.
And I'm Splash!
These are my friends, and we're the Water Sprout Kids. We'll see you next time. Bye!